Welcome to Learn Spanish and Eat Picante YouTube channel. In this video, the topics that are going to be explained are accents and tildes. We know that in English grammar, things such as accents and tildes do not exist, and it could be quite difficult. However, we are here to explain it deeply for you to understand. So let's start. The first thing to understand is, what is an accent? It is called accent to the force major that is made to a certain syllable within a word, thus differentiating itself from the others. This syllable with greater force is called a stressed syllable, and all words in Spanish have it. Let's see an example. We have the word rinoceronte, which means rhino in English. To determine where the accent or stressed syllable is, it is necessary to pronounce the word. So, rinoceronte. As you have noticed, the syllable ron is the syllable that is pronounced with greater force. So that's the stressed syllable and where you can find the accent. Sometimes a tilde is written over the vowel of the strong syllable. For example, in the words héroe, cálido, cortés, escorpión, cráneo, and canción. As you can notice, the place where the red point is the syllable that is strongly pronounced, and therefore the accent, which in this example is graphically written. Accents that are graphically written are called graphic accents, or most commonly tildes, while accents that are not written are called prosodic accents, as in rinoceronte. Accents and tildes are an important issue in Spanish because, as we have already noticed, their use modifies the way a word is pronounced and its meaning too, differentiating words that are written equally but that their only difference is if they have a tilde or not. A very good example of this are these two words, papa and papá. One means father while the other means potato. The only difference is that father has its stressed syllable in its last syllable. It also has a tilde on it. In order to know when to write the tilde, we follow some rules which we are going to explain in a while. But firstly, it is important to know that Spanish words are divided according to their accents. There are 4 types of words in the Spanish language: acutes, graves, proparoxytones, and preproparoxytones. Each one of these type of words can be identified depending on where they have their stressed syllable. Let's look again to the word rinoceronte. Rinoceronte has 5 syllables, which can be divided by the following names. Therefore, to know what type of word is a word, just look at its stressed syllable. A word is said to be acute when the stressed syllable it is in the last syllable. Grave when the stressed syllable is in the penultimate syllable. Proparoxytone when the stressed syllable is in the pre-penultimate syllable. And preproparoxytone when the stressed syllable is before the pre-penultimate syllable. Here we have some examples. In order to know when to graphically accentuate these kind of words, each one has its own rules. Let's check them. Acutes. They are graphically accentuated only when they end in N, S, or a vowel. For example, avión and ciudad. Ciudad has not a tilde because it does not end with an N, S, or a vowel. It ends with a D. Grapes. They are graphically accentuated when they do not end in N, S, or a vowel. For example, mentiroso and fácil. Mentiroso does not have a tilde because it ends with the vowel O. Proparoxytones and preproparoxytones, they are always graphically accentuated. We hope you have learned something from this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe in the box below and watch our other videos to learn more about Spanish rules and grammar. See you!